Are you a graphic designer, a web developer, or any other related field, and you would love to use images like this? So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove watermarks from any image you want to use. So first of all, I'm going to head over to my Chrome, and then right now I have Getty images of a guy with laptop. So I can decide to change the keyword. I just want to get an image with watermark. I'm going to say, okay, Getty images of a guy with a phone, and then we have a lot of Getty images. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove each and every of this watermark on these pictures. I'm just going to go ahead and then select one image, and then I'll go ahead and then save this image on my desktop. Go ahead and right click and then click on save images. So guys, this image has successfully been saved on my laptop. I'll head over to watermarkremover.io. Watermarkremover.io. I'll go ahead and then click on this link and then click on this on the first search. So guys, we have online watermark remover for free. Remove watermark from images precisely with the help of AI technology. Sign up today to avail your first 3 credits. So I'll just go ahead and then leave the whole of this long text, and then we have this image by the left. I'll go ahead and then upload this new image I want to remove watermark from. I'll go ahead and upload. So guys, we have watermark.io, which has done its thing using its AI technology. So we have our original, and then we have the watermark removed. I'll just go ahead and then download my new image without watermark. Great guys, my new image has successfully been downloaded. I'll go ahead and then view this image. So guys, we have our image without any watermark. So guys, this is basically how to remove watermark from any image using watermarkremover.io. If you know you enjoyed this video, kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you just watched guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.